Okay, so the app is called the HD DVR. You can see right now it's almost 8 o'clock, and the video that the camera takes is really good. It's the other camera, it's great video quality day or night. So I like the software a lot. You scroll on the side, hit that button, and it stops recording if that's what you want. Continue to record. You can take a picture, turns off the sound. Here you can access your files. And I haven't driven the truck in a couple of days, so you see these clips right here. I have the clips to be 5 minutes long. If any of these are important to you, all you gotta do is press on the lock, and it will never erase it. That also give you time if you wanna take the SD card out of the phone, out of the camera, and pass it on to your computer or wherever else. Or if you just want to leave it there, it's fine. It'll never erase it as long as it has a lock on there. Pictures too, you could take pictures. This picture, this is a test I did on March the 12th. It's just a random picture, not anything important. Erase it. Alright. So these go back to March 27th. I have a decent sized card there. I think 64, but you could go much higher. I think it works great from what I've read, up to 256 gigabytes or possibly more. You can see there's a file here that has a lock. That's where all your files where you press the lock on would go to. I don't have any, so that's gonna be on empty. And if you keep scrolling, you could actually adjust the brightness of the picture from when it's night. I'm not sure if it affects the daytime too. I haven't touched it because I like the way it looks day and night. Here are your settings for different things. I have it at the max resolution, 60 hertz, clip time. It lets you choose. I have it at 5 minutes. Format the card. I'm not sure what this is, and this I think flips the video. I'm not gonna mess with those. That's pretty much it.